What is the life cycle of a thread? In this diagram, we see that a thread contains several stages, that is the born, ready, running, sleeping, dead and block. Let's discuss the detail of those stages. First comes to the born. Born means when a thread has created. Second stage is ready. That means after creation, a thread is waiting for the CPU through ready stage. Okay. Now the third stage is running. Through running, the operating system process or assign the thread. Okay. Now here we see that after running, three stages are created. The first stage is sleeping, second is dead and the third one is blocked. So through sleeping, a thread become ready or design when the sleep time is expired. That means when the sleep time is expired, again it move to the ready state, and after ready it move to the running, that is for execution of a thread stage. Okay. And another stage is block. In block stage, here we see that the thread is waiting for some event. If the waiting is over, then it move back to the again ready stage, and after ready it move to the running stage. Now in block stage, we already discussed that the thread is waiting for some event. Now for some event, like here, sometimes the thread needs some input output operation. For that reason, the thread move to the block stage. Okay. And the last stage is dead. In dead stage, the thread is not executed or the thread has finished its execution. That means the thread does not move to the another thread or another process. Okay. So this is the life cycle of a thread. Okay.